Hi, I'm Jim Dingmans with MBM Corporation. Today I just got my 408A automatic folder. So I want to show you, as I take it out, I want to show you how to put it together. So we got bands that are already on it. And then we just remove any of the stuffing and blue tape. So now I'm going to take the fold plate that I took out of the box and start with the small one, which is the lower fold plate. And then actually slide right in. And as we slide them in, it should just click into place. And then we have to plug in this so it can be told what to do when we're ready to fold. Same thing for the upper plate. Unwrap the upper plate. This will slide into the gap here. And that's clicked in. Obviously very important to plug these in. And before we turn power on, we open up this side of there. So basically, this is the receiving end. So this is where everything is folded and comes out the exit. So now we're ready to get started to fold. So as we get this thing ready to go, it's important to have electricity. Notice that the plug is on the opposite side of the main screen. We plug it in. So what these are for, not just the extension, but also if I'm going to fold a folded sheet, which I can do with this folder, this will hold down the fold with pressure on this wheel, so it goes through, does a half fold and spits it out, and that's what we call a double fold. So I'm going to go ahead and show you some of the other options in just a sec. So now we're going to take a look at the folding capabilities. On this side of the folder, where the fold plates are, is our on-off switch. So I'm going to turn it on. And then we have a touch screen right here that's going to let us know what folds we can do. We have a button here. Those are your 6 standard folds, from a half fold to a tri-fold. This is a double fold. This is a Z fold for letters, a gate fold, and then extension fold. So I have up to 11 by 17 paper is our max. In order to put it in, I'm going to adjust this so it hits all the way into the back of the plate here. These side goes to the side, not too tight, just enough so we got paper going in. And then we lift up the lever so that the paper will go underneath the wheels. So lever goes down, now we're ready to fold. I'm going to do a half fold for this brochure. I hit half. I'm going to hit 10. So now I can do 10 of those. But before I do anything, I want to test. Test will give me 2 folds. And it's telling me reset fold table. So, okay. There we go. Let's do a test. And what you hear is that automatically the fold plate's going into place where I don't have to place any math or tell it where to fold. It automatically knows that this is 11 by 17 paper and it's going to take it in and do a half fold. And there's our brochure. It looks fine. It's a little bit off on the front one, the second one. So we can make some minor adjustments with these wheels, or I can type it in. One thing I'd like to show you is there's a conveyor belt with a wheel here. And since we're doing 11 by 17 paper, we need to set it for that position. So as it's coming out on a larger run, it'll come out smoothly. So we've done our 2. The test came out perfect. So now I hit start and it's going to do 10 in just no time. And now I have a dozen brochures ready to hand out. I do want to make a note here that we are putting in a new type of format for tri-fold brochure. I want to show you that this paper has to go all the way in with the lever up so that it hits the silver plate in the back. My side plates are perfect because I just did 11 by 17. My extensions are in place, and this lever comes up and it goes under the wheels. Now I'm going to run a test, but before I do that, come take a look at the screen here. We are at a half fold, but now I want to do a tri-fold. It automatically tells me it's 17 inches long, so we're good to go for the tri-fold. I'm just going to run a test to make sure I have it placed properly. So that is my front page, and looks like I need to do a little bit of adjustment, and I'll do that right now. So we made our minor adjustments, and now we're ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and shoot 10 tri-fold brochures, 11 by 17. Thanks for watching the video on the 408A. For any questions, please call ProSource for your information.